Hello and welcome to this video on artificial intelligence, or AI. In this video, we will be discussing what AI is, how it works, and how it may potentially replace humans in certain tasks. But before we get into all of that, let's start with the basics. What is AI? At its core, AI is the ability of a machine or computer system to perform tasks that would typically require human-like intelligence. This includes tasks such as understanding and interpreting language, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and learning from experience. There are many different types of AI, ranging from narrow or weak AI, which is designed to perform a specific task, to strong or general AI, which is capable of performing any intellectual task that a human can. How does AI work? AI systems are typically trained using large amounts of data and algorithms that allow them to learn and make decisions on their own. There are a few different approaches to building AI systems, including rule-based systems, decision tree systems, and artificial neural networks. Rule-based systems are designed to follow a set of predetermined rules to make decisions, while decision tree systems use a flowchart-like structure to determine the best course of action. Artificial neural networks, on the other hand, are designed to mimic the way that the human brain functions and can learn and adapt over time. How will AI replace humans? It's important to note that AI is not meant to replace humans entirely, but rather to assist us in certain tasks and make our lives easier. However, it is possible that AI could potentially replace humans in certain jobs or industries. For example, AI-powered chatbots are already being used in customer service to answer questions and resolve issues, and self-driving cars are being developed that could potentially replace human drivers in the future. In manufacturing, robots and automation are already being used to perform tasks that are dangerous or tedious for humans. But it's not all doom and gloom for humans. As AI continues to advance, it is likely that it will create new job opportunities and industries that we can't even imagine yet. So, what do you think? Is AI something to be feared or embraced? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you.